Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a basic omelet where I'm only going to use ham and cheese, but feel free to use any kind of ingredient that you want. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So to make one basic omelet, we're going to need about 2 to 3 large eggs. We're going to season them well with salt and pepper to taste, and then we're going to give them a really good whisk. Then we're going to heat either olive oil or butter or both in a nonstick skillet over medium-low heat. Now this is a 10-inch nonstick skillet, which works really well for me, and I think that's key for making really good omelets. And now we're going to add our eggs. And now with our spatula, we're going to start scrambling the eggs until we have a nice firm base. Once we notice that we have a nice solid base, we're going to stop stirring the eggs. We're going to cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. I'm adding ham and cheese, and like I said, you can use any kind of ingredient that you want, like mushrooms, peppers, onions, sausage, whatever you like. And then very carefully, we're going to place our spatula under the omelet and flip it over. And the rest of that egg is going to finish cooking with the heat of the omelet. And then now all we have to do is serve. And that's your recipe for making a basic omelet. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.